Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a topic that might sound a bit unusual, but is quite fascinating. How cold is space? Space is known for its extreme temperatures, which can go down to -200 degrees Fahrenheit or -86 degrees Celsius. Although it's not as cold as the space itself, the environment around Earth can be quite chilly, especially during space missions. In space, you're surrounded by a thin atmosphere called space radiation. This is a result of cosmic rays striking the Earth's atmosphere. It's a high-energy shower of particles that can be incredibly cold and damaging to your body. To survive in this environment, astronauts must rely on special clothing and gear that filters out the space radiation. They also need to maintain a close body temperature balance through proper hydration, diet, and exercise. The temperature inside a spaceship, on the other hand, can fluctuate, depending on the spacecraft's location and the tasks it is performing. However, overall, astronauts report that the space inside is generally comfortable, especially compared to the harsh conditions they might face back on Earth. So, the next time you gaze out of the window of your spacecraft, remember that you are not just seeing the stars, you are also looking at the cold, harsh reality of space.